not so bad.
Well, not that bad. The village is destroyed. The dragons have got at lances. Let's face it, this holiday is a complete... What are these people looking at? What is that? It's Hiccup! Well done, son. It's that. Everyone, grab your dragons to the Great Hall. We finally have something to celebrate. This is the best holiday ever.
Hiccup, I know this must be really hard for you seeing everyone with their dragons. But you really did a wonderful thing. Thank you.
Master, where did Toothless go?
I don't know. Wow. Man, wouldn't want to be you right now. I mean, you brought back everyone's dragon except yours.
Yeah, you know, this is not helping at all.
Toothless! Come home!
Bad dragon, very bad dragon. You scare me to death. Don't ever say the way that one again. And what is in your mouth? Yeah, you found my helmet. Okay, you found my helmet. That's where you've been. Buddy, thank you. You are amazing.